Hello guys, hello beautiful people. My name is Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, welcome to my show. And today I'm going to show you what I use to grow my hair. I use black seed oil. To grow my hair. As you can see, my head edge is started growing. What I use to grow it is called black seed, and how I used to apply it. So I'm going to be showing you step by step and how you can also apply it. Anti-inflammatory. Black seed oil is a great source to grow your hair. And if you have a dry skin, if you have a dry scalp, you want to apply it direct to your scalp. Before applying it, I will advise you to plait your hair in order to see the result, or in order for you to know maybe it's working. So plait your hair and concentrate to the area that you want to grow the hair. Like me, I don't have hair in the front. This is my major problem. I want to grow the edge back, so I plait my hair, then I continue apply the black seed day and night. You can see it's almost gone, so I put it in the palm of my finger, then I keep rubbing it, keep massage it in order to penetrate to the roots of my scalp itself. You guys, you can see there's a new hair coming out. If you have a very dry scalp like me, you will lose your hair by applying relaxer, applying a color. You know, the color, you're applying color to your hair. Definitely you will lose the edge, or your hair will started falling. I don't have oily scalp. I have dry scalp, so I apply black seed oil day and night to my hair to regain the edge back. So it's only 4 weeks. And one takeaway that I'm going to be talking about: when you are applying home remedy or black seed oil or castor oil, when you are applying all this home remedy, what I mean by that, maybe you are applying castor oil or coconut oil or black seed oil, please exercise patience, at least maximum 4 working days or 7 working days. Like me now, it will be 4 weeks on Sunday, and I really want to give myself at least 2 months before I will come back to do review of this. This is 3 weeks, and I've already seen the results. Guys, to my kitchen, where I'm going to demonstrate how you are going to be applying it day and night to your hair. I hope these black seeds will help you. Thank you. So let's go. Teaspoon black seed oil, to shake the bottle. So because it depends the amount you want, to the front of my head, so in order for me to gain another new hair, so it depends the amount you really actually want. So it depends, it's optional, so you can use 1 tablespoon or half tablespoon or teaspoon or half teaspoon. So it depends how your hair is really weak or the length of the falling or how is really damaged. So this will help you. So you only need only black seed oil. So I will show you how you are going to be massage it to your hair and how you're going to rub it. So I'll show you. So you just apply this, as you can see it, into the tip of your palm, into the tip of your hand, and you keep just massage it, distribute it, and place that I really want. I'm desperate for this area, so you keep massaging it. Sorry guys, I'm in the kitchen so we can get more light here, more effects. So I'll show you. Now, and that's my brush, and that's the one you already have. So that's it. So you are going to apply this warm water with black seed oil. You are going to apply them with the black seed oil and the lukewarm water, the one we just prepared now. I show you how I do it. So you just want to apply this into your scalp, and actually you apply another 1 tablespoon, you apply 1 teaspoon of it if you want to condition your hair with it. So that's it. This is how I do it, and it actually worked for me. As you guys, you can see it yourself. So already start growing my hair. Seed oil can help regrowing certain tiny area on your head. It depends the area that you really want to deal with. It's also good for scalp, and it's also using for a dry scalp. If you have a dry scalp, it's also good for that area. It will regenerate the oil that your scalp needs. So it's good for oiling scalp. It's help regain a new hair cell. Also growing, it will also help you to thick your hair. It will help you to regrowing your hair and to regain your hair back. It will walk through the scalp. It will penetrate to the root of your hair itself, and it will regrowing a new hair, and it will thicken your hair. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants and fat acid, which can help to cleanse and strengthen the hair and scalp. Black seed oil for hair growth and prevent hair fall. Black seed oil is one of the most potent plant extracts for growing thicker hair, stopping hair losing, and keeps good health in general. It has even been proved to kill cancer cells. Black seed stimulates hair regrowth. Guys, welcome back. And so I'm going to show you how we are going to be distribute this to our hair, to our scalp. And you remember guys that we've already diluted it with black seed oil in the kitchen. You remember I show you the step by step how we are going to do, how we diluted it with lukewarm water. So there's no space in the kitchen, so I just say let me bring it back to the sitting room. So I'm going to show you how I used to massage it, how I used to condition my hair. I have sensitive scalp and my scalp is very dry, so in order for me to generate a lot of oil into my scalp, so this is how I do it. I'm going to show you. So all you need, just or sometime first thing in the morning, you can wet your hair. If I kind of person who like wearing wig, when you are going to office or your work, you can distribute the lukewarm water black seed oil, and you keep applying there. Actually, this really helped me, believe me guys. It worked well for me, and it's really good to moisturize the scalp. We grow your hair, the edge of your you will grow your hair very quickly. As you can see, it's only 4 weeks, going to 4 weeks now. I could see the good results from the edge of my hair. So this is where I really have problems. So you put a lot of the guys, and now guys, so you can use shower cap also, or you can, it depends whatever you lay your hands to. So you can use plastic bag too. So I normally use this. As you can see, or you can put it this way, but I get irritation from here. I don't like doing that. And I have this, and you want to cover it up. So now when I finish, I got to clean my house. So you can leave it like this, or you want to generate the heat, so it will leave your hair moisturized and leave your scalp with a lot of oil. All the pores from your scalp will be open, and when you rinse it, you apply the black oil seed again. You massage it like how I show you guys from the beginning, and I hope this will help you. It actually helped me, and this is it now. I have to clean my house, so I can leave this up to 4 to 5 hours. It depends how I quickly manage to finish the work. So I every second night or every second morning. So now this is done, I'll clean my house. By the time I do all the housework, so I will just go to bathroom, then I will just rinse it. Then you can blow dry it, or you can just leave it. I'm going to wash it. It depends, and you can use argan oil. If this black oil help you to regain your hair grow again, please don't forget to leave the comment below, click the subscribe button, and please share my video. And thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Bye for now.
For like give me love, oh.